Hi, welcome to my talks vlogs. So today I am going to show you a mask for hair. So now it is like winter is getting over and summer is starting. So all the weather is like dry. From starting from your skin to your hair, everything looks dry. Even the trees and plants. So everything is like you can see a plant behind me, which is also getting dry. So it is very much needed to take care of your dry and frizzy hair in this weather and even skin also. So my dry hair, you can see how it is frizzy. So I'm going to make a mask for a hair which will be like more moisturizer locked hair mask for dry and frizzy hair. So come on, let's see what all we are going to put into this smoothie. So now I am taking honey. Honey is rich with emulsant and humescent properties, increases moisture levels, and emulsant smoothens the hair follicle. So now we are taking aloe vera gel. So aloe vera gel is lot of conditioning property in this, and it smoothens and removes dandruff. और ये है घी is again very thick in nature, so this oil consistency seals the moisture into your scalp and removes the irritation. So ये है dahi curd, which is rich in protein, hydrates scalp, improves shine and reduces dandruff. So now I'm taking malai or milk cream, which is rich in nourishing properties, so it deep conditions your hair and makes it strong. So now I'm taking banana, ripe banana with peels. So banana is very rich in potassium, natural oils, carbohydrates and vitamins, which helps to soft our hair and protect natural elasticity. And the peels are again rich in antioxidants, so it gives more strength and richer shine to hair. So now I am taking a blender. So one by one I am going to add in this blender. So now I am taking ripe banana. So usually what we do, ripe bananas at home, we throw it off, but instead of that you can just make some smoothies like this for your hair or skin or body. So now I am adding curd. So actually you have to take the proportion according to the length and thickness of your hair. So what length you have or how thick your hair is, so according to that you have to take your ingredients, and according to that only you have to add. So there is no proper measurement, but according to your wish you can make out. Actually if it is one banana, then all other ingredients will be in 1 or 2 spoons. So just add all the ingredients together. So once you add all the ingredients into the jar, you can just start blending it. So I'm not adding any water here because whatever I have taken will be much enough to smoothen it. But it should be, the consistency should be like more of cream texture. So don't make it too liquidy or don't make it too thick, because if it is too liquidy then you can't apply it on your hair, it won't stand in your hair. And if it is too thick, then you can't apply it evenly because it will stick on one side. So check with that, and if the consistency is thick, you can add a bit of water, or if it is very liquidy, then don't get frightened, you can just add one more banana or half a banana. So now I am just blending it nicely. So finally our smoothie is ready, and you can see the consistency is also okay. You can just cross check if you want to blend it more so that no lumps will be in it. And I think my smoothie is ready properly, and you can see the consistency is very good and proper. So this is the consistency you have to maintain, not more like a milkshake but a thicker version of it. The smoothie will be more thicker than the milkshake. So this is how you have to prepare your hair smoothie mask. And this is the consistency, because it will be easy for us to apply such thick liquid into our hair, which will stand in our hair for a long time. So almost my smoothie is ready, and now I'm going to start applying it. So finally our smoothie is ready, and I am going to apply it. So this is a combination for both the winters as well as the coming summers, because in between we are exposed to so much of dryness, even the skin, or it might be hair. So we have to give a proper nourishment to our skin, hair, and we have to take care that it stays healthy. So this is a proper mask for your hair that brings back the nourishment in it, and reduces the dryness. So you can see how dry my hair is right now, and just now I am starting to apply the smoothie. If you want to use your bare hand, you can. If not, you can use your gloves, and you can wear the neck wrapper. But here I am using my hands, bare hands, because I usually like to apply the things or smoothies or face mask, anything, usually with my hand. Because it will give a good rapport with our hair. We'll come to know how much pressure we can put, and how nicely we can blend it inside. This mask is actually made out of all the ingredients which is available at home itself, so it doesn't have any side effects to your skin or hair. So it is very good for your health as well as your healthy hair to grow back into its normal healthy positions. So you have to just make sure that you apply this properly into your scalp, not leaving any part. So if you apply in your hand with your hand, you can apply to whole of your scalp without missing any of the part. And you have to blend it nicely inside your scalp, because most of the time what happens, due to the blockage or the flaws, dry skin which are present on our scalp, blocks the absorption of the hair oil or the mask we usually put on it. So it is always preferable that you apply your hair mask or any smoothie mask or hair oil. You have to blend it nicely and give a small massage to your scalp, so that any blockages will be ended. So you can see I am just applying it from all the sides, so that my hair is totally covered and my scalp gets totally covered by the smoothie. And you have to apply it to your hair also, because hair also gets damaged and dried dried up because of pollution and the dryness. So you can just apply it to your full hair and cover it, and then you can just give a good massage to your scalp to open it up, and your pores can absorb all the ingredients into your scalp, so that it will give a good elasticity and nourishment to your dry and damaged hair follicles also. So this is the way you can just apply and pull out all the hair to one side and clip it. So this will be staying like this for another 30 to 40 minutes, and if you have very damaged and frizzy hair, you can keep it for about 1 hour. But till then you can just take some rest, or you can do your housework, anything you want to relax, you can relax. So this has to be in your hair so that it can reach your roots and give a good nourishing treatment inside also. So this is how I have applied, and I have clipped up my hair. So this mask is going to really work on your hair, which is very frizzy and dry. So just sit, or you can relax with your family. Just right now I am sitting with my son and we are watching some TV shows. So like that you can relax, or you can do your work, or how you want to spend, you can relax. So that will relax you, which will reduce your stress level also, which is also important for the hair growth. Usually what we do is we just apply and forget, but the thing is you have to think that even the stress level which we take will also reflect in our hair falls. So right now you can see that it is already done around 30 to 40 minutes, and it is getting slowly dried up. So before it gets totally dried, you have to wash it off, because if not, then you can't wash it properly, it will stay. So you have to just wash your hair with lukewarm water, don't rub it. Instead you have to just wash with your fingers, just like massage you did, and it will be removed, and then you can shampoo and condition your hair. So this is the end result, and you can see how healthy and bouncy my hair has become, and how strong it has become, no tangles, nothing. So this is the end result you can see after applying this smoothie, and I am sure that you surely will like this, and once in 15 days or 1 month you can try this to get a healthy and strong hair. Thanks for watching.